I wanted to get this on video. There's a massive storm passing by right now. There's the side of it. Then the Anvil goes up all the way around there and comes back over here and across the street. Look at that. It's huge. Let me go down the street for a second. It's so big. Let me get some pictures. Oh, it looks like there's another one over there. Yep, there is. Another large anvil. This one's just amazing. So it looks like that's where the moisture's feeding into the storm, and then the updraft takes it up, and it's still spreading out. The anvil's starting to blot out the sun. And could be a third one starting to go up there. Yeah, looks like a strong inflow tail where it's bringing the moisture in. Okay, I'm gonna check the storm out on the weather radar and start a new video if something's going on.